Hi everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another Poundland haul. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing I picked up was a Haribo Star Mix pack. These are the individually wrapped ones, and as you can see, Alex has already gotten into it, and that was £1, obviously. I then also got for Paul these mix-up Walker's crisps. They have French fries, Doritos, What's-Its and Monster Munch. Paul is gonna love that. I also got 2 packs of these large Ziploc bags. Can never have too many of those, and actually the big ones are quite hard to find. I also got some unicorn magic Carex or Cousons shower and bath gel, and I intend to use that as a hand washing soap, if that makes sense. It's the second one I've bought and it smells really nice. Obviously everything was £1. You know now that you can get stuff that is not £1, but you know, I always get the stuff that is £1. I also got this card for Father's Day for Paul. It says, "I love Daddy, happy Father's Day." And it says inside, "I'm so glad you're my daddy." Now the daddy ones are harder to find because they tend to be dad or father. So I was really pleased, and I think it's really, really pretty. So I also got this beautiful bag. It says yay, and I don't know if you can see the glitter, and it's kind of, you can feel it, and it also comes out in your hand as well. But I thought that was really, really gorgeous looking. And then I picked up a smaller pack, and this one's got 3 inside. I'm gonna open and show you guys. So here's the first one. It says fabulous. Then next one is kind of like a sprinkles one. Excuse me. And then I've got another one that says, "Hey birthday girl." I thought these were really cute. And a pack of 3 for £1. Bargain. I also got my favourite foot pack, and this is a honey and almond one. I picked up one of these magic erasers. They do their own brand, but I do think they're as good as the real thing. So I got a flash one. With the move coming up, this will come in handy, trust me. And then I've never tried these from Poundland, but I got some deep cleansing nose strips. I'll let you know if these work. And then I picked up 3 for £1, 3 boxes of ibuprofen. And sorry. I also got a mirror. This says it's a light up mirror. I haven't actually opened it. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's really good. Just to keep in my purse. How do I turn it off? Oh, that is really nice. It turns off when you close it. Brilliant. And then finally, the last thing I got, which I never see in my Poundland, were these boxes. There's 4 of them. They had other colours, but I really just want white. So I picked up all the ones that they had, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. I do have to say, I've been very disappointed in recent weeks with Poundland. There's nothing that really catches my attention. I don't know if it's my Poundland that's not very good. So if you do shop at Poundland and you have seen some really good home decor, please let me know in the comments so I can keep an eye out. But apart from that, that was it. I have to say that I think Home Bargains and B&M have got stuff just as cheap, if not cheaper. I know for a fact that I could probably get cheaper bags in Home Bargains. So I don't know what's going on with Poundland at the moment. I'm not feeling it that much. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.